Welcome to DC TechNet, which is your own channel. Do like, share, and subscribe. It motivates us to create, new content. So let's see what we have today. So today we're going to focus on a dynamic host configuration protocol or DHCP, and today will be the part 1 of this 3-part series. So let's see what we have today in part 1. So before going ahead, let's see some basics. So an IP address is the identity of a host or a computer or any device on any network. Computer networks can be of any size like LAN, WAN or MAN. If we are connected to a local area network or the internet, the IP address forms the basis of communication over the network. When we connect our computer or to a LAN or the internet, we notice that the IP address and other information like subnet mask, preferred DNS, etc. are automatically present on the device. So have you ever thought how this happens? In this session we will understand the concept of DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol that forms the basis of this functionality. So let's see what we have today on the agenda. So we'll understand what is DHCP, functions of DHCP, and we'll understand the myths of DHCP in our part 1. And we'll understand DHCP, how DHCP works, that a DORA process, in our second part of this series. And in our part number 3, the last part, we will do some labs and we'll take some Wireshark traces of our DORA process, or exactly how the DHCP packets flow over the network. So let's see what we have. So what is DHCP? Dynamic Configuration Protocol is a server role on a Windows server. So it allows devices to acquire their IP configuration dynamically. So DHCP is a network management protocol used to automate the process of configuring devices on an IP network. So as the name suggests, DHCP is used to control the network configuration for a host through a remote server. So there is a remote server and it will control the network configuration. So DHCP is an excellent alternative to a time-consuming manual configuration of network settings on a host or a network device. So functions of DHCP, very simple. DHCP is an under the cover mechanism that automates the assignment of IP addresses to fixed and mobile hosts. So it's very important, not only the fixed devices, also the mobile devices that are connected wired or wirelessly. A DHCP server dynamically leases IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to each device on a network so they can communicate with each other. So these are the basic functions of DHCP. Now, very important, some myths about DHCP. Very important to understand, there are some myths. One of the myths is DHCP dynamically or automatically assigns IP address to its clients. Another myth is DHCP dynamically or automatically provides IP address to its clients. One more myth. DHCP automatically gives IP addresses to its clients, or DHCP dynamically allots IP addresses to its clients. Or some people say that DHCP will say automatically distributes IP addresses to its client. So all the above statements are myths. They are not true. Let's look at the fact then. The fact is, DHCP dynamically or automatically leases IP configuration to its clients. So it never assigns, never provides, never gives, allots, distributes. We should avoid usage of these words like assign, provides. The right word is DHCP dynamically or automatically leases the IP configuration to its clients. So whenever we hear the word lease, there is always a time related to lease. So an IP configuration is a leasehold property of DHCP server. So please just try to avoid words like assign, provides, gives, allot, distribute. So in our next session, we'll understand how DHCP works. We'll understand a complete DORA process. There's a process running behind DORA, and we'll look at the entire packet level, how it works. So in today's session, we have seen what is DHCP, functions of DHCP, and very important, we have also seen some of the myths of DHCP. And in our lab, we will work on Wireshark traces. Wireshark is again a network packet capture tool. I'll just give you a brief about it, and we'll work on the DHCP level. So thanks for joining today's session. If you feel this channel is helping you to learn anything new, do like, share and subscribe the channel, and see you in our next session. Thank you.